I made a pocket knife case out of Legos. And it also has a hang feature on the wall. I got this actual pocket knife. The case is free, but the knife itself is $20. But the case for the pocket knife I was talking about is this one. This one's for my pastor. I don't like cameras. And it's not spring-loaded like that one. So it's easy to just... And then it's easy to just do that again. And ta-da! Yeah, and there's my pocket knives. Let me put it back and show you. Or is it in the wrong way? It doesn't look like it's... Okay. Yeah, so it just fits perfectly in there. I mean, it's kind of satisfying to just do over and over again. Because then it just doesn't move. Like, there's that click. But, yeah, Rough Rider makes good pocket knives. Spring load ones, too. I don't think they make anything. I don't know, I've only looked at the website once, I couldn't tell. But, yeah. I'm pretty sure this is resin. With, like, golden and turquoise resin dots. But the blade I'm not taking out because I'm really afraid to get my finger chopped off. It's the thing. I only use it in emergencies when I somehow. I will if I was supposed to. I'd use this if a person an intruder came to our house and this was gone. I'd have to use this, which I have a hiding place for it. But yeah. I should probably hide that one instead. Yeah, because what if burglars or whatever don't know how to use spring-loaded knives? I don't know. Opinions and comments, I guess. Oh, wait, what does that say? Oh, I didn't even know. I forgot to read for a second. No. Yeah. This looks cool, but it's dangerous. And it's freaking sharp. Like, insanely sharp. So, for young people out there that don't know what a spring-loaded knife is, there's this thing. I'd say about right there. And right there actually. And there's a button to make it where, hold on, maybe my camera could see into there. Oh no, it's right here. But yeah. So there's a button right here. I push it, and I have to hold onto the pocket knife, or it immediately comes down and chops off my finger. But with this, it's just a button. Okay, you can easily take it out. And then you could easily put back in without cutting off your finger. By just easy. And then put it back in the case. There. But Rough Rider makes pretty good pocket knives. And yeah. I'm trying to figure out what to do next. I might pull it out soon. If I get at least 10 likes on this video, I will. No, I'm gonna say 15. No, 10, because I know not a lot of people like me on YouTube. So 10 likes on this video, and I will show the blade. I think, depending. Okay. So yeah. Bye.